let me stop you. Let me stop you. This is driving me fucking mental. Will you fucking stop fucking phoning me?
Hello?
Do not fucking phone me anymore!
Yes, ma'am. How may I help you today?
You can't help me today. I haven't ever fucking run you. Will you fuck up? You are making my life hell by phoning me because I have never fucking called you.
Firstly, I would like to tell you, you have a private number, so I do not have your number in front of me.
Well, how are you fucking doing it then?
Okay, I'm sorry, but I cannot speak to you as you are unprofessional on this
No,
call.
fuck off! Fuck off! Fuck off! I do not need any technical support. I need somebody to make these fucking phone calls fucking stop! You can't!
Are you there, sir?
I can fucking hear, yeah. I've been hearing every fucking 5 fucking minutes for God knows how long now. Fuck off! Fuck off! You can't! Hello, locksmith.
Hello?
Oh, not you fucking lot again. What the fuck do you want this time? Cunts! Fuck off! Cunts! Fuck off! Cunts! Yeah, I can hear you, yeah.
Okay. So how may I help you today?
You can't help me today. Oh, for fuck's sake. You can't help me today. I haven't fucking called you. Honestly, please, just fucking leave me alone, you fucking Indian fucking cunts.
Hello, are we connected?
We are connected. We don't need to be connected. I don't fucking need you. I do not need any fucking technical support. Fuck off! Fuck off! Fuck off!
Excuse me, sir.
I haven't called your fucking number at all, right? You have called me. Now take you fucking nigger cunts!
Are you the technical support service, sir?
No, fuck off.